Every time you attend a training, you are going to get tips and tricks for your business that are going to help you rise to that next level.
Corporate just makes it so easy to come, learn, walk away, and then see your business explode. Story after story, people come to national training and just talk about how amazing it absolutely is. You really don't want to miss it.
I get excited for every national event, whether it be World Conference, national training, but World Conference is a celebration. And we have learned in this business to celebrate our successes.
You just need to hear something a different way. The people that you meet on these tours, whether it's a trainer or just the person sitting next to you, you just hear something that resonates and it helps you fall in love with your business and energizes you, and it's always at the perfect time.
The resources that were there really took my business to the next level, and I was able to perform even better at parties and knew so much more about the products and all of the things that went into recruiting, and I just learned from some of the top women in the business.
By coming to World Conference, you're going to get a wide variety of things that are going to add value back to you, to your business, to who you are as a woman, to your relationship with your significant other if they're going to be there, but mainly to you as a person. So I wouldn't miss it for anything.
The growth I feel from each training is so incredible. Even doing this for 4.5 years, I still learn something at every training. I don't feel that I've learned everything there is to learn. I think that you can always grow in your business, no matter what your goals are, no matter what you want to do. There's something for you at that training, and maybe you just need to be around other people. Maybe you just need to grow personally. Maybe you really want to see some of the success you've seen your sister consultants have, and you can get all of that at training.